Have you ever sneezed the moment you stepped into bright sunlight? Well, you might have a secret superpower. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and around 1 in 3 people have it. Here's what happens. When bright light suddenly hits your eyes, your brain gets confused. The signal from your eyes rushes to the brain, and sometimes it accidentally triggers the nerve that controls sneezing, so your brain basically mixes up wires, and boom, you sneeze. It's harmless, but it proves one thing. Your brain isn't perfect, but it's definitely interesting. Enjoyed the concept? Like the video, subscribe for more simplified ideas, and share to make learning easy for everyone.